Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. All right, so let's get into a little bit of a live stream here. Let's talk about what's going on. We got some big news, as always. We always got big news. You know what it is. And yeah, so let's see what's going on. First, have a look at the JASMY chart. As you see, guys, I did a video this morning talking about what's going on here with JASMY. So we kissed the 200-day SMA, and now we're working our way back up to over support at 2 cents 2. So what's important is that we close today's daily candle above 2 cents 2. Again, yesterday we closed above it. Can we do it again today? That would be great. Continue to build it as a level of support before pressing up to 2 cents 5. And then onwards and upwards. But there's a lot of speculation that we're going to see a V-shaped recovery in the market. So that may come faster than one might anticipate. Some people think we're going to see this across the board back up to the top where we started this whole collapse in the first place at 3 cents 2. So we'll see what happens, guys. But so far, so good. RSI still in oversold at 40.63. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, let's hop into the chat real quick, see what everybody's doing. Guys, make sure you smash the like and subscribe. Help the channel grow. Big Kev, what's up, brother? You are the Rob father. I'm not worthy. Tara, hola, Rob. And JASMY family, you are just a future millionaire. Exactly. You're not broke. You're pre-rich. Brian, what's up, Rob Father? I'm loving these prices. Greed has set in. Yes, exactly. I've been taking advantage, guys. Hopefully you guys have as well. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. I'm in a fantastic mood today. Fantastic mood. Market looks good. Let's go have a look at the crypto bubbles, shall we? Let's see what's going on. BTC, 60,790. Very nice, guys. Got as high as 62.4 last night. Very juicy, very juicy. XRP, guys, listen. Did I or did I not tell you guys the day before yesterday we did an evening live stream on XRP, and I said take your profits because XRP is going to pull back. And here we are. XRP is correcting. Right? I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. Right? I got a video coming out later tonight about my plan for XRP, what I'll be doing with my bags. So yeah, Miria, fantastic DC opportunity, guys. I'm going to be taking advantage of that for sure. JASMY's down 1%, still 2 cents 19. It's recovering though. It's wicking back up over 2 cents 2, which is where we want to see the daily close. Ethereum's holding strong at 25.99. What else do we got? Look at Crow. Crow's having a fantastic. I still have not filled up a bag on Crow, and I'm getting antsy, guys. I got to get my Crow. I got to get it. Turbo's a good entry point, guys. Still 20393. Some good DC opportunities. HBAR. We got some big HBAR news in this live stream today too, so make sure you guys stick around for that. Down to almost 3%. Good entry point at 5.5 cents for HBAR, guys. Gala, I watched a video the other day, and apparently Gala is looking to move away from Web3 gaming. They're not going to be a gaming project anymore. That's what I'm hearing, but I'm going to keep doing my research on it. I will let you guys know when I hear more. But yeah, apparently Gala is abandoning the Web3 gaming narrative. I don't know why they would do that, but it is what it is. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin's chart as well while we're looking at charts. All right, so look at that. Look at that candle yesterday, guys. Juicy, juicy. Wicked up over the 200-day SMA and then back below it, and it acted as resistance. Same thing as JASMY, guys. We pulled back down, minor correction to 59.6, and now we're all the way back up at 60,600 now, I believe it is. So nice little correction on that, guys. We'll probably retest the 200-day SMA very, very soon. We seem to have a little bit of resistance here at 61. As you can see, it acted as resistance back here as well, right? So it's acting as resistance once again here. So we'll see what happens. I wonder how long it'll take to break through. Last time it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tries to break through last time. So we'll have to see how many tries it takes for Bitcoin to break through this time around. What else do we got in the chat? Momo, hello, hello. Hope y'all doing well. Doing good, man. Doing good. Williams in the house. What's going on, brother? Blair experienced another wave of emotions in the past week. You come to the rescue. I do what I can. I do what I can. Yo, Ty, what's up, my friend? Brian, I took a short on XRP. Good plan, brother. Good plan. I like it. I like it. I mean, we all knew it was going to have a bit of a pullback, right? That's not fudding XRP. I love XRP. XRP was one of my first projects. I've held it for over 5 years now. But this time around, I've done my part. I held XRP all the way through the last bull run. I never sold in the bull run. I held it through the bear market. And this time around, I'm going to be taking profits. Ty, what's your thoughts on Spell? I talked about Spell token yesterday, I think. Guys, I know that a lot of you guys like Spell, but I have my reservations about the project simply because, and most of you heard me say this before, Spell's ecosystem relies on an algorithmic stablecoin. Now, the Gillibrand and Lummis bill that is going to be in merging with the FIT21 Act, I believe, bill, has a ban on algorithmic stablecoins in the U.S. Now, I don't know how, if this bill passes into law, how that's going to affect Spell's ecosystem. Now, the reason that they want to ban algorithmic stablecoins, if you're unaware, is because of what happened with the FTX fiat, or sorry, the not FTX, the Terra Luna Classic, Terra Luna fiasco, right? Their algorithmic stablecoin caused mass production, mass minting of Luna. Luna crashed from about $160, I think it is, all the way down to a fraction of a cent, costing a lot of people a lot of money. So that's why they want to ban algorithmic stablecoins in the United States. So that is that for me gives me a word of caution for Spell's ecosystem. I feel like Spell needs to get rid of their algorithmic stablecoin for that reason. So, Brian, have you looked into Carrot for gaming? Yes, I have looked at that project before. I have looked at it. Let's have a look. Let's have a looky-loo. Is this which one are you talking about? You're talking about yeah, this top one here, right? Yes, 57 cents. Yeah, we looked at this a while ago. For me, I would not buy into this project, and that is because there is only 10.7% of the supply in circulation. That is a big red flag for me. That screams dump harder on me, daddy. That's what that screams, right? $62 million market cap. Not bad, guys, but the tokenomics, the amount in circulation is atrocious, in my opinion. Might be a great project. Not fighting the project. I'm fighting the amount that's in circulation. Now, if there's a valid reason why there's only 10% in circulation, I'd like to know what it is. JJ, what's up? Yo, big things popping, little things stopping, guys. What's going on? If you're new here, make sure you are smashing that subscribe button, guys. All right, what else do we got going on? Brian Balls, I put 4K in it. Hey, it's not a bad project, man. I'm just saying be cautious, right? That's all I'm saying. Be cautious, my friend. So yeah. So anyway, that's Karat, however you want to pronounce it. So we got some pretty big news out of JANCTION today, guys. Let's have a look at what we got from JANCTION. They say exciting news. JANCTION is joining XANA Summit. Get ready for an AMA, live demos, and a panel with our dev team. Plus, we'll share the latest on JASMY's projects and JANCTION's new dApps. So if we go over to the article, big news for JANCTION, guys. JANCTION to exhibit at Cutting Edge Tech and Entertainment Festival, XANA Summit 2024. So JANCTION announces participation in the summit. Hara will be there participating in the Cutting Edge Technology Entertainment Festival. About the summit, XANA Summit 2024 is a next generation festival with themes of Web 3.0, AI, metaverse, and entertainment. It will be held in mid-September 2024 on XANA, Japan's largest metaverse platform. CEO Zenaro, over 2 weeks, the summit gathers projects, companies, DAOs, celebrities, artists, creators, and communities in the metaverse. About JANCTION. JANCTION combines GPU pools with decentralized autonomous databases, providing a comprehensive, secure, and cost-effective AI infrastructure, harnessing the power of distributed computing for revolutionary machine learning processing and efficiencies, and linking individuals and data through blockchain for consensual, transparent data collection and reward distribution. JANCTION breaks down the barriers of expertise and resources, enabling everyone to benefit from AI safely and securely. This is JANCTION's mission. Comments on JANCTION CEO Hara. From Hara. I'm extremely pleased to announce our participation in XANA, Japan's largest metaverse. As an advisor, I am also involved in strategic planning, and I am committed to ensuring the success of our collaborative efforts aimed at overseas expansion, which we hope to realize at the XANA Summit. So hoping to create more partnerships and collaborations at this summit, guys. Regarding the agenda for the day, we plan to hold an AMA session to share the latest information. Additionally, we aim to introduce demonstrations and organize a panel session where our development team members will provide insights into our projects. Furthermore, I intend to provide updates on JASMY's products currently in development. I would assume he's talking about the personal data locker. Share details about ongoing business participations and introduce the dApps from JANCTION. So big news coming out, big announcements coming out from Hara in this summit, guys. He's doing an AMA there. I will be doing a video breaking down the AMA. So absolutely, make sure you guys are here for that. Another AMA from Hara. That's like his 7th AMA this year, guys. Very bullish. And people say he's not transparent. I don't get it. Details of the summit event. So we know all that. It says this event will provide participants with new experiences by integrating cutting-edge technologies with entertainment. It will feature booth exhibitions, talk sessions, panel discussions, performances, and a wide range of content on the metaverse. Speakers, artists, and companies from around the world will share the latest knowledge and topics. Guys, I will go out on a limb here and say do not be shocked in 6 to 8 months to see new announcements in regards to partnerships and collaborations between JASMY, JANCTION, and other companies. That's what these things are for, right? So very bullish. Big news, JANCTION and Hara making things happen, guys. Making it happen, all right? What do we got in the chat? Ty, thanks. Hey, no problem, my friend. Brian, thanks, Rob. I appreciate you taking the time to look at that for me. Hey, no problem, brother. I got you. Studio Tech. Shit, Rob. I hope I have not missed a lot. Too many push-ups for me. There's no such thing as too many push-ups, my friend. Only not enough, right? All right, so what else do we got in the news? Little bit of a tip from Swift. Some bridges can take longer to complete swaps. Always check transaction speeds before making a cross-chain swap, especially if you're in a hurry. Choose speeds and efficiency to stay ahead. Guys, Swift and their swap top of the line tech in my opinion. And what makes me super excited about XCN and Onyx Coin is they are launching a swap of their own, which is again going to be fast and cheap, right? Boycotting the Ethereum fees, right? So very, very bullish. What else do we got? Rob got done with my push-ups. Nice. Nicholas, big dog, what's up, man? Mega bullish, big dog. Patience is key, my man. Absolutely, man. Time to enjoy the weekend. I'll be working all weekend, but I'll be live streaming from the office. Been listening to Rob for so long. I'm seeing push-up gains. Nice. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy portfolio, right? Studio Tech, Rob just bought more XCN and JASMY bag, but never get exactly. Bags are never finished, right? Never finished. That being said, guys, I got to tell you, over on the Patreon, I am uploading a video over there today. That is, I'm making a massive decision in the direction of my entire portfolio and what I'm doing now. And I will be releasing that video over on the Patreon today, guys. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you're over on the Patreon. Also, get your coaching sessions booked over there as well. Bitcoin Magazine, Yahoo Finance says that there is a lot of institutional and retail interest in Bitcoin ETFs despite the recent price crash. Check it out.
Well, Bitcoin is up more than 5% as investors look to regain some ground from this week's sell-off. Some traders believe the quick reversal suggests the recent price drop may have been a bear trap. Yahoo Finance Markets and Data Editor Jared Blickery is tracking those recent swings. Jared.
Brad, Bitcoin is basically a trap. Let's check out the price action this week. It's been very volatile. This is actually a 3-month look, and you can see we just had this dip all the way down to about 48,000 there. And for me, 60,000 has been the important level to watch. And I'm going to zoom out here. I'm going to put a year-to-date chart on here, and here's the 60,000 level. We've dipped below it once, twice. And this is a third time, each time going a little bit below, but then climbing back above 60,000. These are all false breakdowns. You can call them bear traps. And it costs traders a lot of money and peace of mind. But nevertheless, that's what's happening. But another way to look at it, it's just in a little bit of a flag here from a sustained up move. That's a 1-year look. And it's even more apparent on the 5-year. So this is just a tiny little flag here in the grand scheme of things, but it's painful on a day-to-day basis. Now, when I was watching, I've been following fund flows as well. We have all these new Bitcoin, spot Bitcoin ETFs, and not only Bitcoin, but Ether. And we've seen some really positive movements this week. I think overall, the sector was lost about $250 million or $250 billion. But when you take into consideration that a lot of that was out of the grayscale entities, you get a positive net flow for Bitcoin. So I think it's positive that we have, in the midst of all this turmoil, we still have a lot of institutional and retail interest in these funds, guys.
All right, Jared, thanks so much for breaking the movement down that we're seeing here for crypto as we wrap up what has been a volatile week for almost everything across the board.
I did point out on the Bitcoin chart the other day that flag, guys, on the daily time frame. However, right, we have been tracking that. This is, guys, I'm excited. Like things are about to send, guys, like for real. What do we got? Bitcoin Magazine says City of Santa Monica, California launches its website for its official Bitcoin office. The Santa Monica Bitcoin office is dedicated to educating our community on the transformative potential of Bitcoin in partnership with Proof of Workforce Foundation. We are committed to providing comprehensive education about Bitcoin and its role in the modern economy, helping Santa Monica residents and businesses alike understand this innovative technology. This is what adoption looks like, guys. People who are not in crypto and not doing their research right now, they're gonna be sorry, man. What do we got? The SEC has subpoenaed 3 unnamed crypto VCs. Guys, I talked last night in the live stream about Harris not taking a position on crypto yet. She's anti-crypto, dude. So this XRP case ends, and now the next, 2 days later, Gensler sends out subpoenas to 3 new crypto VCs. He's not dialing it back. And if the White House was turning pro-crypto. You think they would allow him to be doing this right now? He's starting all over again with new companies now. He's going after 3 more companies, right? It's not going to stop, guys. It's not going to stop as long as the Democrats are in the office. And it sucks for me to say that because I don't like taking sides. If it was Republicans in office doing this, I'd be saying the same thing. These bastards have been attacking the industry for 3 years. How long, like, what does it take to get through people's heads? They're not just going to turn pro-crypto all of a sudden, right? This guy's not going to stop until they kick his ass out of the SEC, right? He's got to go. Bottom line. So we'll stay on top of which VCs Gensler is going after now, but not a big surprise, to be perfectly honest with you. Fractal pattern comparison from 2020 and now, guys. Check it out. Fractal 1 came down to, look at this comparison. This is now over here, up here, right? We came down. We're down here. Same thing down here, right? This was the C19 right here. Down, and look at that V-shaped recovery. We're down, and we're starting our V-shaped recovery, right? Very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. To the freaking moon. 21 shares launching an XRP ETF. Check this out, guys.
Not a security, because there's no, futures needed there. Why not see an XRP maybe go to market much faster here? What are your thoughts on that?
We listed the world's first and have the world's largest Ripple ETP. We're bullish on XRP as an asset. We've published a lot of a lot of research about it. I would say that it's absolutely part of our product vision and ambition globally, not just in America.
Okay. Not a security.
Bullish on XRP. I'm excited to see where XRP can possibly go in this bull run, guys. It's going to be fairly exciting. What do we got in the chat here? Studio Tech, to be honest, Rob, already got 9 packs. Took my push-ups for me. JJ, your thoughts and price prediction on Algorand? I love Algorand. I have been a big fan of Algorand. It's a solid layer 1. I was doing videos on Algorand like 2 summers ago when they lost their top TVL provider, and everyone was bearish on it. It dropped down like 8 cents or something like that. And I was doing videos on it back then. You can go check. I've always been bullish on Algorand. I do hold Algorand. I think Algo can hit. I mean, potentially it could hit $5, but I'm going to be honest and say probably $3 to $4 conservatively. So that's roughly where I will be exiting Algorand. So. Great layer 1 project. Fundamentals haven't changed. Fantastic layer 1. Studio Tech, Rob, patience is key for this bull run. I'm having a feeling a lot of people will make mistakes. They should not miss this opportunity. You're right. You're right. And the sad part about it is not everyone's going to make it, guys. Not everyone's going to make it. And the reason that they're not going to make it, well, there's a multitude of reasons. One, they don't want to listen to people with experience. They think they know better, right? For example, like on our member side or over on our Patreon, we're there helping people every single day. We help out, but people want to try to do it on their own. Go ahead, do it on your own, but you're going to come back in the bear market because you got wrecked because you don't have the experience, right? They're going to sell based on emotion, or they're going to get greedy and not sell based on greed and euphoria. So you're absolutely right. There's a multitude of reasons that not everyone's going to make it, and it really boils down to a lack of experience in the market, right? And they're not wise enough to seek out help yet, right? They want to try to do it on their own, and they can try to do it on their own. Go ahead, by all means, right? But I'll tell you right now, my first cycle, this is my third. My first cycle, I didn't know what the hell I was doing, and I made a crap load of mistakes. So that's why I'm here now, helping people learn from the mistakes that I made, right? Tizzo, what's up, Robbie? Rob, what's good? What's good, man? Good to see you, fam. Good to see you, man. I love it. I love it. Almost time for me to get ready to go to work here, man. Holy smokes. Time she's a going. She is a going. What else do we got? Check this out, guys. It keeps getting better for HBAR. Earlier this week, we saw Hedera join the Institute of International Finance. Some other members include BlackRock, JP Morgan, Rothschild's Co., S&P Global, Bank of Egypt, Bank of Africa, Nomura, and Coinbase. The best part, Hedera Hashgraph is the only public crypto project here that's a DLT. Everything else crypto related we've seen is via Coinbase and Circle, both of which are also players in the institutional side of crypto, as we've seen. Now it appears that Hedera is being grouped in that category by leaders within the IIF. The IIF fundamentally is a global group think tank of leaders from mainly the financial industry, focusing on everything from research, advocacy, and networking. Something interesting we noticed here is that this mixes both commercial banks in the private sector with the likes of BlackRock and JP Morgan, paired with the giant central banks from the public sector. As we can see, the central banks of Egypt and Africa present in the IIF as well. Seeing Hedera join the financial leaders is a huge step forward and a sign that financial giants are taking notice. Don't forget, they're also the only public crypto project in the FINOS Foundation by Linux for open source finance too. With the tokenization of RWA we've seen on Hedera this year, it's no surprise they're taking notice. Big things popping for HBAR, guys. William, do you think Miria can hit 5 cents in 2024? I mean, maybe. I think it's possible, for sure. I think it's possible. The last 3 months of this year are going to be very eye-opening for people, I think. A lot of people are not really ready for, because they haven't experienced this kind of thing before, for what's about to start happening, right? Let's look in on the Dixie. Boom. As we can see, guys, she's found a new level of support, which is fine. She broke down from this level here that we were watching for a long time, right? Finally broke down, which is fantastic for crypto, risk on assets, but she seems to have found this new support level. It's not really new, I suppose. It was kind of active over there as well, right? And now we're just kind of ping-ponging inside of here. We need another breakdown. We want this to continue to collapse for things to look good for crypto and risk on assets, right? So yeah. All right, let's get back over to the JASMY chart. All right, guys, back into the chat. Nicholas, mega bullish on Swift. Absolutely, guys. Do not forget, on Sunday, we have Rue Black coming back on the channel to drop a bunch of Swift Alpha, guys. Make sure you guys are here for that. Have your questions ready to go. I'm lining up another conversation with Jesse as well, good friend of mine from KIR Finance, JASMY Ambassador. And I'm reaching out to some other people, guys, get some new faces on the channel, some new interviews and stuff, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, guys, I got to get ready to go to work. I will have the chart streaming all day. I will be live streaming from the office later tonight, so make sure you guys join me for that. Jump over to the Patreon, guys. Get your coaching sessions booked in, and do not miss the video I'm going to be uploading, letting you guys know the direction of my portfolio as a whole. It's a big shift I'm making. You don't want to miss it over on the Patreon. I will see you guys later this evening.